Do you ever feel all tense everywhere, like you can't quite settle down? Well, today's practice is going to bring you in your body, have you settle down. It's also going to train your balance and coordination and restore deep reserves of energy. We're going to do some open the flow. So just sit up tall, float the arms up, and float the arms down. Floating the arms up and floating the arms down. Open the flow, the basic movement that opens every Tai Chi practice. And it actually is a Qi Gong standalone thing. So inhale as we float the arms up and exhale as they come back down. Deep inhale, nice exhale. We go in through our nose and out through our mouth. If you're feeling a little extra tension being released, you can exhale through your mouth. Otherwise, I think I said it wrong. It's in through the nose and out through the nose. Deep breath into the belly. Now, as we go up, we're rocking forward. And as we go back, we're rocking back. And we can do it from our seat. Just a little rock forward and a rock back. Doesn't have to be real dramatic. Can be just a subtle rock forward. Expanding and then dropping back, closing. And we can extend that movement so the whole body participates down to our feet. So inhale, rock forward. Feet are a little bit more on the balls. And as we come back, feet a little more on the heels. Inhale and exhale. Whatever's your capacity, work within that range because you want to be relaxed. And if it's too much to think about all the different parts, just do the arms. But the idea is to get the whole body participating. This trains the body for better balance and coordination. In addition, a little shift to the balls of the feet that activates the kidney meridian, the first point on the kidney meridians on the ball of the foot. It's called bubbling spring. And when we activate that point, the energy flows up the legs and it's like the fountain of youth. We're just filling ourselves up. Keep that slow inhale and slow exhale going. The key point here is not exactly what your arms are doing or your legs or anything like that. It's just being very relaxed. You want to let go every bit of stress so that you're just feeling like you're in the flow. If you want a little tip on the movement itself, it's almost like you're at the beach and you're going to throw out a blanket. You throw it out, or even at home at the bed, going to throw the sheet out and then pull it back so it just lands perfectly. It's like that movement in slow motion. That gives you the feel of it. There's a flow out and a flow back in. We live in a sea of Qi, and this relaxation and flowing movement just allows energy to flow into our body. We're restoring our energy reserves. So if you've been feeling tired, nice flow like this. Just gentle flow. Key thing is relaxation. You're making it very circular. So there's no like stop and then stop. We're not doing this. No matter what you're doing, as long as you're going in a circle, flowing really nice, the Qi is flowing in. Relax, it comes right in. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful. Just do a few more rounds. Drop into that. Close your eyes. Just feel how soft and flowing it is. Just energy moving into the body. Tomorrow we're going to do another activation. So if your lower back's been bothering you because you're sitting too long or something, show up tomorrow. We're going to dog wags its tail. Beautiful, beautiful movement for releasing the lower back. Let's do one more here. And bring our hands to our center. the lower dantian. It's an energy center that's in the middle of the body. It's about 2 finger widths below the navel. And sometimes you can feel it, especially when you've been doing a lot of Qigong. And usually you can't feel it. So you just kind of focus on that area, and the hands help put the energy there. So the energy that you've just flowed, you're putting it in your deep reserves to help heal the body, restore health. Thank you for practicing with me today. You did beautifully. You deserve a little extra energy. I'll see you tomorrow.